But there's going to be a pink cute monster. But
like that. Okay, Glenn, that's really scary and
cute pink monster into big fat one.
yeah, I agree with you there. I know that you guys have your holiday, but I want you to always keep on busy studying at home.
Always busy. I always do homework every single day.
You always do your homework every single day?
I do homework every single day.
What? You have homework this holiday?
Even Christmas, I have homework.
Oh my God. I can imagine that you're so busy, Glenn. How about you, Abia?
I do 2 papers one day.
How about you, Abia? Do you have any homework at home? Abia, do you have any homework this holiday?
I do it every single day.
How about you, Niko? Niko punya PR nggak di rumah?
I don't have.
Banyak?
Enggak punya.
Nggak punya, good job, Dan. Jangan banyak main ya.
My homework is so much.
Okay, Glenn.
Plus, I have to do piano, and I have to do Mandarin, and I have to do math. Good, same like me.
Yeah. Also, Devanka also so busy at home, playing in the morning, and then yeah,
Do something else, and then
do some snack animation. So, I'm done with this.
And then right there, and then do again something, and then right again, I have to do something.
Wow, so cool. Abia, don't forget to color the hands, yeah? 2 hands. Color this hand, please. And also color the inside of the mouth with black. Because this area will supposed to be dark. Right, good job.
I made a cute, scary monster.
Let's do that. Okay, good job. What?
Ini ekornya pecah.
Yeah, really good.
Diambil.
Thank you, Glenn. How about you, Nico? Wow, Nico, you have a new crayon.
Yes.
Good job. Keep on drawing, Nico. How about you, Abia? What materials that you use for coloring the drawing? Color pencil or crayon? Right, next will be
Next, this one is crying. First one, and then
can I see that? This one is made by Devanka. This is made by Devanka. This is so scary like this, and suddenly cry.
Look at the teeth. Did you see the teeth? It's like pink monster, right? It's a cute pink monster.
Yeah.
I don't want to be pink.
Glenn, try to color the inside of the mouth with black. It will be more scarier. More scarier. Yeah. Try to color the inside with black. Yeah. I'm going to color the pinky thingy.
I found the black.
Oh, I forgot. The leg also has to be pink. Oh, this is what we call it, Pinky Monster. Pinky Monster.
I'm calling this monster cute but scary monster.
Yeah. Don't forget, tomorrow morning we're going to have a Saturday art attack.
Oh yeah!
on 9 o'clock we're going to have another class of art, ya. Oh Niko, besok Sabtu bakal ada kelas lagi jam 8 atau jam 9. Yay, correct. Thank you, Abia. That's really nice. Now I think we need to present one by one. Please.
Tapi ini.
Oke. Abia sama Niko, kita akan ada presentasi ya. Kalian harus ngomongin step by step-nya seperti apa. It's okay, you just only learning how to talk in front of others. Presentasi pertama akan dibawakan oleh Devanka. Ready, Devanka? Okay, wait. Maybe Nico, you want to be the first one?
Wait.
Okay, wait, Nico, wait. How about you, Glenn? You want to be the first one?
I want to be the first. Yes, I want to.
Okay, Devanka will be the first one. Come on, Devanka. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Hey, this is my job.
Sit down properly, please. And then?
First, I draw a circle in here, like a triangle, a little bit triangle. Then, I draw eyes in here and horns and ears in here. And I draw this.
That's so cute, Glenn. Okay. Good.
Then I draw the legs and the tail. Open it. The mouth is here, and then the teeth. Then I do the wings. One is small, one is long.
Okay, thank you, Devanka. Do you have anything to say?
Is this cute?
Is it? Yeah, I think. How about you guys? This is cute or not? Glenn, I need your opinion. This one is cute or not? No? Okay, then now. Okay, now it's Glenn's turn. Come on, Glenn. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hello, my name is Glenn, and I made a cute monster. What? Not what you think it will be.
Right, that's cool.
It's a scary monster.
How you do
Not
it?
what you expected it.
How you do it, Glenn?
First, I folded the paper.
Okay.
Then I drew like a round shape. Then I draw the cute eyes and the hair. I draw nose, the feet, and the tail.
Okay, guys, do you have any question for Glenn? Devanka, you have any questions for Glenn? All right, thanks, Glenn. Now it's time for Nico. Ayo, Nico. Siap, ready, 1, 2, go.
Ini adalah gambaranku, nama saya Niko. Pertama aku menggambar mata, lalu hidungnya. Lalu aku menggambar bibirnya. Lalu aku menggambar kaki. Lalu jika ada yang mencabut ekornya akan memakan.
Wow, my goodness. Yeah, that's really cool, Nico. Ini ada tips dari Mr. Al. Kalau Nico pakai marker sama pakai krayon, kalau sudah pakai krayon nggak boleh pakai marker lagi ya, karena nanti markernya akan rusak. Ya, kalau sudah semuanya pakai marker, udah markernya disimpan baru diwarnain pakai krayon. Kalau gambar pakai marker, terus Nico warnain pakai krayon, terus Nico lupa, oh ya aku mau gambar sesuatu lagi di atas krayonnya, nggak bisa, nanti markernya rusak. Oke?
Oke.
Ya, jangan, nggak bisa dicampur krayon sama marker. Nah, sekarang the last but not the least. Abia, ayo Abia, present your work. It's okay, you can use bahasa Abia. Ready, 1, 2, go. Hi, my name is Abia and this is my drawing. Halo, namaku Abia, ini gambarku. Come on, don't be shy.
Come on now.
Come on, don't be shy. Go ahead.
You can do it, Abia. Come on, give 2 thumbs up for Abia first. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Ready, Abia?
Gak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa, Abia. Ayo belajar lagi.
Enggak. Pak Hari. Cepetan.
Ayo, 1, 2, 3. Halo, nama Abia. Halo, namaku Abia. Ini gambarku. Pertama-tama aku gambar apanya dulu? Ayo.
Oh man. Badannya.
Ya, terus jelasin Abia.
Ekor, kaki, tanduk, dan mulut.
Hey, good job, Abia. Give a round of applause for Abia, please. There. Thank you, Abia. I give you 2 thumbs up. There. Oh, there. Thank you, Abia, and thank you, guys. I see you tomorrow morning, maybe at 8 or 9 o'clock. Yeah. Glenn, do you have any plan tomorrow on Saturday?
When we will do gradation.
Oh yeah, tomorrow morning. Can you do it? Glenn? Are you free tomorrow? Are you
Let's do gradation.
Yes, tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Are you free, Glenn?
Or you need to do something.
No.
Free? Or you have something to do at 9?
Needs me to do homework again because I don't have homework, but she gave me homework.
Alright then, Nico. Nico, besok jam 9 pagi bisa?
Bisa.
Okay, good. Nico.
Juga ya bisa.
I can do it at 9 o'clock.
Apia, besok jam 9 pagi.
Jam 9 pagi ya.
Kita akan belajar gradasi warna. Apia, kalau nggak punya krayon, nanti dikasih krayon sama Mr. Al ya.
Gimana caranya?
Oh yeah, like that. Yeah, we have a cancel. Good job. Thank you. Now, guys, have a rest, everybody. Sampai ketemu besok jam 9 pagi. Makasih, Apia.
Okay.
Bye, Glenn.
Bye.
Bye, Mr. Al.
Ya, sampai ketemu lagi.
Bye.